Morning, guys. What a beautiful morning it is there this morning. Truck's saying that it's a nice crispy -3 degrees Celsius. All the water is froze up around a bucket of water I had in the truck. It's froze solid, so it's just nice and crispy. But signs of spring are out. The trees are all melted clean. The roads are all clean. It's just lovely. I just made a dump run here, just dropped off a load of garbage, and now I am headed to pick up the sheet lifter. Dad is on his way down shortly, and we're going to see if we can get that ceiling in the shop sheeted over today. This is one of the biggest tasks of this project. Well, besides the floor, that'll be later on. But getting that ceiling done today, hopefully done today, insulated and completed, will be wonderful. So we'll see what this day brings. Got a good breakfast in me. Let's get to it.
No growers asked.
What's on your neck? Cookie crumbs. There's a big...
Well, that's there. We got that far.
Get that there.
She could use some grease.
Yeah.
Man, look at that, huh? Actually, that'll straighten the other ones for me pushing the furthest one. I'm gonna run upstairs and get my ladder. that's as far as she's gonna go. Well, the back half of the shop is completely done. This beam, of course, passed through here in the middle, and now we're starting on the front half. Dad's just lifting the sheet up now. Look at that ceiling. Not insulated yet, but all my bats are up there, so I'll be able to insulate that after. It's looking pretty good. It's got to be trimmed all around. I'll be trimming all around the corners, just because everything is not perfect there. That's just the way it has to go together. But man, this lift, look how that lifts up there. Just effortless. And it's got lots of flex in it. It moves even with this floor being on a grade and stuff. Just really awesome. This is the last piece of the ceiling, right there in that corner. Build a Dewalt. We're putting in a small 5-foot door, this style of door, but it'll be a 5-foot wide like an ATV door, and a picture window will be here in the front. There'll be a little more natural light in her as well. But that's it. Here's my attic slot I left over here. I just left out, that's as far as our OSB ran, which is right to the last truss, as you can see there. And I just left that open, so I'll just cut a 4-foot piece with a hinge there, a little latch, and that'll be how I'll access the attic out there. Okay, it is now 7:50 p.m. Just finished helping my lovely wife put the girls to bed. Now I'm going to go out to see if I can get up and insulate that attic. Pretty tired by the time I lay down, read a book, sang a song, had some snuggles with my oldest daughter, and then I lay down on the couch for a few minutes and snuggled my baby before she went to bed. I almost had to get the wife to put me to bed too. But things got to get done. This shop's got to get done. So I'm going up to see if I can do that. Dad went home right around supper time, right around 5 o'clock. That's when we finished sheeting over the ceiling, and it looks so good. I couldn't be happier after getting that done today. But I'm going to put the earbuds in, crawl up there. I went ahead, I had the idea to put all my insulation bats up in the truss before we sheeted over, so I just stuffed them up through, so they're all up there. So this shouldn't take too long. Get on the respirator, the goggles, put on some tunes, and get to work, get this done. Whew. That was not comfortable or easy. This garage roof here is a really low pitch roof, so there is very, very little room to get up there. You can't even in the highest portion, you could just kind of barely sit up there in the middle. So it's tough getting around. And then it's pitch dark up there. I had the old light, the Perrin, if you're interested. Really, really awesome light. But it's all done now. It sounds so different out here with it all sheeted over. Let's have a look. We're getting there. Not bad. It is 10 minutes after 9, so. Well, that's it for tonight, guys. Getting close on 10 o'clock. I've got most of my ceiling marked out here to put the rest of the screws in. Like I mentioned earlier in this video, we didn't drive every screw in today. Our goal was to get every sheet up and in place. So whether that was just like a screw in each corner to hold up a smaller sheet, or some of the big sheets, probably 6 or 8 screws in, just to get them up there. That was the goal for today, which I am so proud of. But now I'm going ahead and marking where my trusses are, so that tomorrow I can go ahead and drive all the sheets up nice and snug, and the ceiling will look a lot cleaner, a lot flatter. Some of the seams that you see hanging down now, like here, they'll tighten up because they're just kind of sagging because there's no screws in there, so it'll look a lot better. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks so much. It's been a long day at work. Big thank you to my dad for coming up and helping me. I was really glad about that he was able to do that so that I could hammer out so much work in one day. We're going to work on doing some trim tomorrow, probably even paint the shop here tomorrow, so make sure you tune in. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if it's your first time here, leave a comment down below. I love reading your comments, and we'll see you in the next video.